This cushion in this chair is shot. New fabric in the chair. I've never done this before. Step one, don't get the new fabric dirty, but there's a foam insert in here. Actually, my mom made this for this chair. Thank you, Mom.
Wow.
This is very exciting watching me unzip a cushion.
It kind of is, because you can't do it.
The linty stuff is getting stuck in it. Maybe if I put on my glasses. Oh, there we go. So I am not, I love my sewing machine, but there's no way I could make another really tight covering like this. So my thought here is to use plywood as a base, cut this to fit this, and then staple the cloth over. What do you think?
Kind of cheating.
It works, right?
We'll see.
And it would look nicer. This can go in recycle.
Can you take the zipper out and reuse it for anything?
No, you could use this as a bag. You could put like your jumper cables for your car in here or something.
That's a good idea.
That is kind of a good idea.
Sweet.
Oh, look.
Good idea.
So I want to measure this and then cut and see what happens. It's at an angle here, so it involves measuring. Let me pencil. The edge of my plywood goes like that. So find the straight edge of your plywood.
Is it straight?
And measure from there.
You think that's right?
If it's wrong, we'll just do it again. It's, hey, let's try this and see what happens. And
Hey, let's try this a couple times.
yeah.
Hi, Andy. Hi, Andy. How are you? Right to do?
You can cut this a number of ways. You can use a saber saw. This is my father's saber saw. It's an old Craftsman. You could also just use a table. I'm going to use a circular saw because it'll just go straight. But if you need to go around things or you don't have one of these, this, even a hand saw, would work just fine here. These are my cleanest safety glasses. You like those? Will it fit? Ready? No.
Better too big than too small. Are you sure that's the right way?
The back fits, the front doesn't. Oh, it's 16 3/4. Okay. I had 17 1/2.
How long have I been waiting for this moment?
How long have I been waiting for this moment?
I actually ordered that material off of Etsy probably.
In the before times.
Hi, Andy. Are you tired? What do you know about cloth?
I know the rudiments of sewing.
He does.
But this is going to be stapling rather than. So this goes on here, and then this will go over this like this. So you've got a cushion like that. Does that make sense? You let me know in the comments what I'm doing wrong.
Well, you gotta make it tight enough so it's not all wrinkly, but I'm assuming that will happen.
That's a professional move. Aren't you impressed?
Not yet.
Well, come on. Do you know any other husband that can cut fabric and fix a chair and can weld? These are 1/2-inch staples. So that's my idea in a rough way. Might have to change staples.
Because you want them to go through or you don't?
Well, the problem is when you're hammering on a cushion. So it just bounces rather than. Okay, so I want front to back. I want it tight.
Does it help to like fold it over or anything? Or not? Doesn't help.
Oh. Yeah.
But why does that help?
It makes it stronger at where you're connecting it to the wood.
So you should have done that to the other side?
Well, in a perfect world, but. So this is kind of loose, so I want to tighten that up.
Do you need eye protection for that?
I have eye protection on.
I don't.
So I need to get this tighter. So now I can double over the cloth. Now the trickier part. How do we do the sides? I mean, do you fold it like that? You fold it, I would think you'd fold it like that.
I think it's like wrapping presents, and some people are really good at it, and some people are not. And I know how you wrap presents.
What about that, like that for a corner?
Yeah, it's good enough. It's like too much wrapping paper.
It's like too much wrapping paper, but I'm worried about if I cut it, could cause it to rip or something? I don't know. I have my 2 front corners here, stapled. I did the first one flawlessly. The second one, I had kind of a mind melt. You have to think 3D in your head while doing it, so it's kind of funny how in 2 seconds I forgot how I did it, but that's my world. So it's just a little finessing, just kind of get everything kind of snug and fold it over. A little bit like artisanal Christmas packaging. Hold on. Let's go watch the Labradors. Not the best corner I've made, but it's in the back.
Nice.
How long did that take? Maybe the whole pandemic? But it's in, and that looks really nice. The color matches the wood. We're good to go.
Thank you.
You want to spend more time with me? Should be a video floating right there. Oh, that was fun. It only took like a half an hour and a little bit of grinding of teeth, but
2 years and a half an hour.
see you next video.